always come when we are talking about this particular trademark related dispute. One is infringement, another is a passing off. So, what exactly these details are? Infringement and passing off. So, when we are talking about infringement, what it is? It occurs when an unauthorized party uses a trademark or a similar mark in a way that is likely to cause a confusion or deception, or it will be mistaken about the source of goods or services. So, just apply this definition of infringement to the Starbucks and Sardar Baksh. So, it is an unauthorized party which is using that trademark, but similarity is there, right, and that similarity is creating the confusion among that consumer. So, consumer, if they will see that Pizza Hut T, they have, instead of T they have just write down H, right. So, the consumer may not go into the details of that, they will get, oh, this is a Pizza Hut only, and probably they will not get the quality product whatever is